Barreto ibinahagi ang kaniyang lubos na pagdadalamhati, pagkalungkot sa pagkawala ng kanyang tito Mito. Ikinuwento ni Leon kung paano naging ama sa kanila ang nasabi nga pong uncle. Kwento ni Leon, growing up, it was always known that I was raised in a female-dominated household. But thankfully, I had so many kuyas, my lolo and my tito Mito to look up to. When my lolo passed, a huge part of the Barreto family's heart was lost. But my tito Mito, the eldest brother among my mom's siblings, stepped up to become the main man of our family. He was the most family-oriented person I've ever known. The way he prioritized spending time with family was unmatched. The way he loved his grandchildren as if they were his own was unmatched. The way he supported all of these nephews and nieces was unmatched. The way he showed up at every birthday, holiday, and milestone was unmatched. And the way his eyes lit up with genuine pride at the accomplishments of his grandchildren, siblings, nephews, nieces, and children, that was unmatched too. Most importantly, he loved and protected my mom when no one else could. He was the best big brother she could ever ask for. I'll never forget our last conversation. Tito, I had just told you that I finally got my own place. Your eyes lit up with your joy and you immediately said, I am so happy and proud of you, Leon. I was so excited to invite you over for a drink and to catch up on my balcony. But then, the most unexpected things happened. God decided to call you home earlier than we ever imagined. This is a major loss for our family, but I know we must carry on and continue the legacy you built. Thank you for everything, Tito. I promise to be there for your grandchildren to help take care of Tita Connie and to support your two amazing sons who have also helped raise me. Rest in paradise, Tito. You will always live in our heart. Yan nga po ang nakakatouch na mensahe ni Leon sa kaniyang tito Mito na kamakailan lamang ay pumanaw. Ayon din sa mga netizen, naging reason din ito para magkaayos ang magkapatid na Claudine Barreto at Marjorie. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Now. Please like, share, and subscribe.